Mole concept. Mole concept. So what do you mean by mole? What do you mean by mole? Mole is SI unit of amount of substance. Mole is SI unit of amount of substance. Amount of substance. Amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of chemical units. Contains Avogadro number of chemical units. 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 Very simple. This is SI unit of amount of substance which containing Avogadro number of chemicals. But how can you define it more? Particularly in numericals and objective questions. So what is a mole converter? How to convert a mole into molecule, mole into atoms, mole into volume, mole into anything, electrons or neutrons or ions. How to convert? Mole converter is very important while doing the problems in mole concept. Right? Sure. One by one we can discuss. Let's write down. Number of gram atoms. Number of gram atoms or number of moles. Number of gram atoms or number of moles का formula लिखो. Weight of an element. Weight of an element divided by gram atomic weight. अच्छा, number of gram atoms or number of moles are equal, same one. Number of gram atoms or number of moles are equal, which is equal to weight of an element upon gram atomic weight. Similarly, suppose if you want to calculate the number of weight of single atom, that is formula different. Weight of single atom is equal to gram atomic weight upon Avogadro number. I think previously once we discussed it, we discussed about what about 1 ALU. Weight of single atom का formula gram atomic weight upon Avogadro number. But gram atoms are different, the weight of single atom is different. Similar formulas you also write in case of molecules. In case of molecules के लिए, number of gram molecules or number of moles का formula weight of the substance divided by gram molecular weight. Number of gram molecules or number of moles is equal to weight of the substance upon gram molecular weight. Weight of the substance upon gram molecular weight. Upon gram molecular weight. And just similarly, here we can write weight of single molecule. Weight of single molecule. Weight of single molecule is gram molecular weight upon Avogadro number. अच्छा, for your kind information, previous class का क्वेश्चन है, एम्स का क्वेश्चन है, नीट का क्वेश्चन था. प्रीवियस क्लास का एम्स का क्वेश्चन था, नीट का क्वेश्चन था. weight of question asked weight of single water molecule weight of single water molecule provided density of water is equal to 1 gram per ml. This is previous asked question. Calculate weight of the single water molecule. Weight of single water molecule formula कैसे दिखा? Weight of molecular formula gram molecular weight upon Avogadro number. अच्छा देखो, so gram molecular weight upon Avogadro number formula है ना? अच्छा, what is the gram molecular weight of water? 18. अच्छा 18 by 6 into 10 power 23. अच्छा 3 into 10 power minus 20. This is the previous asked question. Weight of the single water molecule. अच्छा, that is provided value for information purpose only they are given. Nowhere you are used that information. Your formula itself is a weight of single water molecule is nothing but gram molecular weight upon Avogadro number only. You know gram molecular weight, right? Sometimes, sir, this question is differently asked. What differently? Density is equal to weight by volume. अच्छा, volume is equal to weight by density. Now question changed. Volume of the single water molecule if density is given, again same formula. अच्छा देखो, question change like this. अच्छा, this is information. Suppose this is information. We have this is information, right? Now question again, AIMS में question है, NEET का question है. Question change. Instead of weight of single molecule, what they asked her? Volume of single water molecule if density of water is 1 gram per ml. Again answer is same only, because density का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? weight by volume होता है, but they want to calculate U volume only. weight by density है. अच्छा, density is 1 gram per ml है. Nothing but weight of single molecule is nothing but volume of the one molecule only. अच्छा, weight of single molecule कितना आ गया हमको? 3 into 10 power minus 3. अच्छा, one time the question asked AIMS exam में volume है, NEET exam में direct weight है, but procedure is same only. That's why both cases है they provided density only. अच्छा, volume calculate करो, density calculate करो, whatever may be. अच्छा, procedure same. weight of single water molecule का formula क्या होता है? gram molecular weight upon Avogadro number. अच्छा देखो, 1 mole of methane. Now this is called mole converter है. How to convert mole into molecule? अब देख लीजिए. How to convert mole into molecule? First one. Listen first. How to convert mole into molecule? 1 mole of any compound है, any gas है, 1 mole of anything है. Avogadro number of molecule. Blindly you have to follow this. 1 mole of anything is given, number of molecule is equal to Avogadro number. अच्छा देखो, ये वाला Avogadro number है. अच्छा, आप भी लिखो ऐसा. नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल कितना होता है? Avogadro number है. आप भी लिखो ना. 1 mole of methane है, हम नॉर्मली नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल Avogadro number है. आप भी लिखो. Second one, write down. Second one. अच्छा, how many atoms are there? 1 mole of methane में how many atoms are there? Atomicity into Avogadro number. अच्छा, atomicity कितना है? 1 plus 4 5. Atomicity का मतलब number of atoms present in a molecule. अच्छा, S8 का atomicity यही आपका atomic है. P4 का tetraatomic है. O2 diatomic है. Of course, this pentaatomic है. 4 plus 1 5. Number of atoms are 5. So number of atoms is equal to atomicity into Avogadro number. Atomicity कितना है? 5. अब suppose if you want to write atomicity into Avogadro number, which is nothing but 5 into Avogadro number. मतलब 6 into 10 power 23 Avogadro number. Atomicity into Avogadro number. देखो. Suppose anybody wants to, how many carbon atoms are there? Only carbon atoms are there. And the total atoms are 5 into 6 into 10 power 23. Only carbon atoms are 1. 1 into 6 into 10 power 23. Only carbon atoms are. Acha, only hydrogen atoms are 4 into 6 into 10 power 23. Only hydrogen atoms are 4 into 6 into 10 power 23. Only hydrogen atoms are. Now, 1 mole of methane weighs how much? 1 mole of methane weighs how much? For your kind of information, number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular weight, am I right? And number of moles 1 का मतलब weight is equal to gram molecular weight. So what is the gram molecular weight of methane? 16 है. मतलब 1 mole of methane weighs 16 grams है. Now, 1 mole of methane occupies a volume at STP. Volume at STP. 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liters. अच्छा volume में कितना है 22.4 liters. देखो 1 mole of methane having how many electrons? How many electrons? Number of electrons they are asking you. For example, carbon 6 12, hydrogen 1 1. Am I right? Atomic number का meaning number of electron, number of proton है. अच्छा कार्बन में number of electron कितना है? Each hydrogen में how many hydrogens are there? Total number of hydrogen 4 for hydrogen, 6 for carbon. Total number of electrons are मतलब 10 into 6 into 10 power 20. Of course, protons also same. Atomic number का meaning number of electron, number of proton. Carbon atomic number 6 means 6 electrons है. Each hydrogen में 1 है. 4 hydrogens 4. Total number of electrons 6 है. अच्छा, how many number of neutrons है? How many number of neutrons है? अच्छा, कैलकुलेट करो यहाँ न्यूट्रॉन कैलकुलेट करो. न्यूट्रॉन के यहाँ नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स है 12 minus 6 है 6 है. नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स है 1 minus 1 0 है. 6 plus 0 6 1. हाइड्रोजन में नो न्यूट्रॉन्स है. सो मतलब नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स कितना होता है 6 into एवोगाड्रो. अच्छा मोल कन्वर्टर है. इफ यू नो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू मॉलिक्यूल. मॉलिक्यूल यू नो कन्वर्टेड इनटू मोल. एटम्स यू नो कन्वर्टेड इनटू मोल है. मोल यू नो कन्वर्टेड इनटू एटम्स है. वॉल्यूम यू नो कन्वर्टेड इनटू मोल है. नोट करो. एको फॉर्मूला लिखो यहां. एको फॉर्मूला लिखो. Number of moles का अंदर फॉर्मूला लिखो. Number of moles is equal to volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4. समझ यहाँ देखो वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस एट STP 22.4 liters का मतलब 20.4 divided by 22.4. How many moles? Suppose volume at STP is 44.8. Number of moles are 33.6. 1.5 moles. So one more formula you have to, in case of volumes are given, how to find out number of moles? Volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4. One more formula for number of moles. If volumes are given, number of moles is equal to volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4. Number of moles is equal to volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4. Now you try for one more. 1 mole of calcium chloride. Chalo, I am asking you. You can tell the answer. First one, molecules. How many molecules? Anybody can tell. There is no doubt. Avogadro number of molecules. सोचने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. No need to think about number of molecules. अच्छा, how many atoms हैं? 3. 3 into 6 into 10 power 23 atoms. चलो 1 मोलर कैल्शियम क्लोराइड में हाउ मेनी कैल्शियम एटम है? हाउ मेनी कैल्शियम एटम है? सिंपली 1 into 6 into 10 power 23 एटम्स। चलो हाउ मेनी क्लोरीन एटम्स है? 2, मतलब 2 into 6 into 10 power 23 क्लोरीन एटम्स। अच्छा 1 mole of calcium chloride weighs how much? 1 and then calcium 40 chlorine 71 on level. चलो 1 mole of calcium chloride occupies a volume at STP. पक्का 100%. Is there any exception? 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of? अच्छा 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of? Once again repeat, 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 at STP. 1 mole of calcium chloride occupies a volume of 1 mole of methane, 1 mole of ammonia, 1 mole of N2, 1 mole of SO2, 1 mole of calcium chloride. अरे भाई think है 1 mole of calcium chloride solid है liquid है gas है? सॉलिड के वॉल्यूम होता है, सॉलिड का वॉल्यूम होता है, सो इसका वॉल्यूम नहीं है बिकॉज़ सॉलिड है। सॉलिड थोड़ी देता है, नहीं। इमेजिन करो salts are nothing but solids only ना, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, you already did practicals हैं, these are salt analysis हैं, solid है, solid का वॉल्यूम नहीं लिखना, right? That's why how many this number of times I repeated this sentence. You think of it. Why Sir is asking this number of times? चलो 1 mole of calcium chloride, number of ions. अच्छा प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल में CH4 है, CH4 में आयन नहीं लिखा हमने, क्यों? कोवैलेंट कंपाउंड में आयन नहीं है। CH4 cannot be split into C4 minus 4H plus. We can't split. There is no permission to split covalent compound के लिए. But ionic compound के these are ions है ना? 3 ions. Very good. 1 calcium ion, 2 chloride ion. Total number of ions are 3. Shall we write 3 into 6 into 10 power 23 ions? Suppose they are asking how many chloride ions है? Suppose chloride ions है 2 into 6 into 10 power 23 chloride ions. How many calcium ions है? 1 into 6 into 10 power 23 calcium ions. They are not directly asking you, but in between the question somewhere else you are used these formulas. How many number of ions है? But covalent compound के लिए you cannot do the ions. Only ionic compound के लिए we can split into ions only. Like sodium chloride, like calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, lead nitrate, aluminum sulfate. You can split it, no problem. But ammonia, like CH4, like water molecule, don't split it into ions because those are covalent compounds. Some basic things you need to find out. Stick for basics only. Easy, very easy for you. Right? Shall we do some numericals based on this formulas? And before going to formulas, before going to discussion of numericals, अच्छा एक 2 और formulas आप लिखो। Number of atoms का formula. Number of gram atom is different from number of atoms है। First formula हमने लिखा था number of gram atoms है। This is number of atoms only. सिर्फ number of atoms only. अच्छा number of atoms का formula weight by gram atomic weight into Avogadro. अच्छा देखो ये क्या है? weight by gram atomic weight क्या है? मोल है ना? Number of moles into Avogadro number only ना? Number of atoms. Simplify करना. Very simple था. चलो number of molecules है. नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, वेट बाय ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है इंटू अवोगाड्रो नंबर है, नथिंग बट मोल्स इंटू अवोगाड्रो नंबर ओनली. नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स वेरी सिंपल है, मोल्स इंटू नंबर, नो मोल्स इंटू अवोगाड्रो नंबर. चलो ये काम करता है. अच्छा 5 मोल ऑफ SO3, how many number of molecules? Number of molecules nothing but number of moles into Avogadro number only na. 5 moles 5 into Avogadro number. कितना होता है 5 into Avogadro number. Suppose instead of 5 mole है, they were given 80 grams, 160 grams suppose. They given 160 grams of SO3 containing how many number of molecules. Then you can use this formula, weight by gram molecule weight into Avogadro number है. Weight कितना है? कितना दिया? 160. What is the gram molecule weight of SO3? 80. Into Avogadro number है कितना? 2 into Avogadro. 2 into Avogadro number of molecule. Don't mind whether you remember the formula or you go for directly concept based. Concept is better than formula. Right, this weight by gram formula. अच्छा सर छोड़ दो सर, ये फॉर्मूला छोड़ दो. कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा है देखो, कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा है, कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा है. अच्छा देखो 1 मोल में 1 मोल ऑफ SO3 में हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं? एवोगाड्रो नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. एम आई राइट? अच्छा छोड़ दो फॉर्मूला, छोड़ दो. कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज 1 मोल ऑफ SO3 में एवोगाड्रो नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल. अच्छा 1 मोल ऑफ SO3 weighs how much? 80 grams. 80 grams of SO3 में एवोगाड्रो नंबर है, एवोगाड्रो नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. तो क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड 160 ग्राम में है. अच्छा 160 ग्राम में कितना है? अच्छा देखो यही फॉर्मूला बन गया, 160 by 80 into Avogadro number, वही फॉर्मूला हो गया. 160 by 80 into Avogadro number. Whether you follow the formula or follow the concept, both are same only. My suggestion better to follow the concept only instead of going for formulas. अच्छा here also 5 moles दिया. अच्छा 1 mole में Avogadro number है, 5 mole में कितना है? 5 into Avogadro number है. No need to remember the formulas also. Right, concept based questions only. Right, it is very simple. Like mole converter है. How to convert mole into molecule, molecule into mole? Suppose let's suppose 6 into 10 power 23 molecule is 1 mole है, is 1 mole है. अच्छा suppose 3 into 10 power 23 molecules is given, how many moles है? Half mole. This mole converter है very simple है. How to convert mole into molecule if required? How to convert mole into volume if required? How to convert mole into weight if required? How to convert mole into atoms if required? We know simple in our daily life. Suppose we went somewhere else in USA, Canada, somewhere else, or Germany we went. We don't know Germany. Okay, but other person don't know Telugu. The common language is English. और ये ट्रांसलेटर है, हम तेलुगु में ट्रांसलेट किया, उन्होंने इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट किया. सेम थिंग ओनली. Whenever requirement, if you know mole concept only, you know. Just like English, you know mole concept only. Somebody knows molecule, somebody knows weight. But weight को मोल में कन्वर्ट करो, molecule में मोल में कन्वर्ट करो, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो, खत्म होता है. Very simple formula. If you know mole converter, this coming chapter is very, very, very interesting for you. No need to by heart the formulas on. Concept based questions sir हमेशा अच्छा लगता है, very useful for you. Concept based question. अच्छा think properly. How to convert a mole into molecule? molecule. अच्छा, not only one है. If you go for any known compound है, chemistry में आपको known compound है. 1 mole of methane, 1 mole of ammonia, 1 mole of water. लिखो molecule कितना है, atoms कितना है, volume कितना है. Practice करो. Then easily you have to convert mole into molecule, mole into atom, mole into volume, mole into weight, etc. प्रॉब्लम में कुछ नहीं होता है सर. मोल को वॉल्यूम में कन्वर्ट करना, मोल के वेट में कन्वर्ट करना, दोनों में इक्वल करना. दैट्स इट. ओके, लेट्स डू सम प्रॉब्लम्स. अच्छा, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1. which of the following which of the following contains maximum number of atoms. As you also learn how to frame the questions. अच्छा, option E, 1 gram of oxygen atom. Option B, 1 gram of oxygen molecule. Option C, 1 gram of O3 molecule. Option D, all are equal. Equal number of atoms. अच्छा देखो ये वाला क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो. Which of the following contains maximum number of atoms? 1 gram of oxygen atom, 1 gram of O2, 1 gram of O3, all are equal. अच्छा, this is previously asked JEE का क्वेश्चन था. What is your answer? A, B, C. What is your answer? A. अच्छा, A. हाँ, then another option. चलो, we'll see one by one. अच्छा, number of atoms. They ask the number of atoms, ना? Maximum number of. मतलब you have to find out number of atoms each and every case. First case में number of atoms का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Weight by कितना? N by 16. N0 by 16. N by 16. ये 1 gram of oxygen molecule. This is not an atom. अच्छा, leave it formulas. Go for concept. What is the concept? 1 mole of O2 में how many oxygen atoms are there? Atoms are asked, not molecules. 2 into Avogadro number. Am I right? 1 mole of O2 में number of atoms are 2 into Avogadro number. 2 into Avogadro number. 1 mole of O2 में 2 into Avogadro number. अच्छा, 1 mole means what is the weight? Now convert mole into weight because weight में दिया ना. Convert mole into weight. 1 mole of O2, what is the weight? 32 grams. मतलब correct only. 32 grams of O2. 2 into Avogadro number of oxygen atoms. But ask 32 grams or 1 gram? अच्छा, 1 gram of O2 number of atoms है 1 by 32 into 2 into Avogadro number. कितना हो गया? Again N0 by 16. अच्छा, ये वाला भी N0 by 16. अच्छा, सी ऑप्शन देखो. वन मोल ऑफ O3 number of oxygen atom, atomicity into Avogadro number, 3 into Avogadro number. But बताओ 1 mole of O3 weighs how much? 48. अच्छा, 48 grams of O3, 3 into Avogadro number है. 1 gram of O3 कितना? अच्छा, 1 by 48 into 3 into Avogadro number कितना हो गया? अच्छा, now answer is all are equal. Now please all of you open your NCERT textbook है exercise में Similar kind of question might be given. 1.24 1.28 नहीं 1.28 देखो 1.28 आप देख लीजिए 1.28 चलो ये लिखो पहले फर्स्ट यू राइट डाउन दिस बताओ एनसीईआरटी का एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन है एनसीईआरटी का एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन है एक्सरसाइज 1.28 पेज नंबर है पेज नंबर 24 आप देख लीजिए क्वेश्चन देख लीजिए अगेन सेम है व्हिच आर द फॉलोइंग इज हैविंग मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ एटम्स क्वेश्चन इज सेम है ऑप्शन बताओ 1 ग्राम ऑफ गोल्ड 1 ग्राम ऑफ सोडियम 1 ग्राम ऑफ lithium 1 gram of Cl. Am I right? This is given. I suppose answer is first you tell the answer, then you can tell the sequence also. Acha, we know atomic weight of gold is 197. Atomic weight of gold is 197. So number of atoms का formula here 1 by 197 into Avogadro number. अच्छा here 1 by 23 into Avogadro number. अच्छा here 1 by 7 into Avogadro number. But don't write directly 1 by 71. Don't write like that. Because here molecule is given, na? Whenever a molecule is given, na, go over concept hai. What is the concept hai? 1 mole of Cl2 में how many atoms are there? 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. Previous 3 examples are given only atoms. This is molecule. Whenever molecule is given, directly don't write it. Go for it like this. मतलब 1 mole means how many grams में? 71 grams में. 71 grams में 2 into Avogadro number है. But asked 1 gram है. 1 gram में कितना है? 1 by 35.5. So मतलब here 1 by 35.5 Avogadro. अच्छा हाईएस्ट डिनोमिनेटर और लीस्ट हाईएस्ट होता ना अच्छा न्यूमरेटर सेम है ना आता है डिनोमिनेटर में लीस्ट नंबर हाईएस्ट होता है लीस्ट कौन है लिथियम देन आफ्टर दैट सोडियम आफ्टर दैट देन अच्छा C is greater than B is greater than D is greater than E. Suppose they are asking sequence ask suppose. Who knows the same question? They should not ask same question now. They will ask which are the following correct sequence of the maximum number of atoms. And this correct sequence of maximum number of atoms. Not correct. अच्छा नेक्स्ट यू कैन ट्राई फॉर वन मोर क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज में 1.10 पेज नंबर 26 टू ट्राई फॉर वन मोर क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी में एक्सरसाइज 1.10 पेज नंबर 26 है हाँ बताओ क्वेश्चन बताओ क्या क्या पूछा व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड हाँ 3 moles of ethane is given yes 3 moles of ethane is given हाँ calculate the and the first what is the question asked first question
number of moles of carbon atom
try karo number of moles of carbon first question number 1 number of moles of carbon atom I am right अच्छा बताओ अच्छा don't go for formula based concept based देखो 1 mole of ethane में 1 mole of ethane में number of atoms are 2 carbon atoms 2 into Avogadro number am I right carbon atom 1 mole but how many moles are given 3 mole में given अच्छा 3 moles में 3 moles of ethane है how many carbon atoms are 6 into your answer is 6 into Avogadro number first question का answer 6 into Avogadro number 6 into Avogadro number देखो सेकंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताओ अच्छा, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स,
18
अच्छा करेक्ट। अच्छा, 1 मोल ऑफ इथेन, 1 मोल ऑफ इथेन, हाँ 6 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms, hydrogen atoms, 1 mole of ethane is 6 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atom, but how many moles are given? 3 moles में given। अच्छा 3 moles में कितना है? 3 moles of ethane कितना होता है? 18 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms, 18 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms। अच्छा, थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या है? नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ईथेन, अच्छा 3 into Avogadro number, because 1 mole of ethane में Avogadro number 16 into 10 power 23 only molecules है। मॉलिक्यूल्स में कोई फर्क नहीं, कोई चेंज नहीं मॉलिक्यूल में। 3 मोल्स में कितना होता है? 3 मोल्स ऑफ ईथेन में हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं? 3 into Avogadro number, that's it। Very simple। अच्छा, ये one or two question we try, one more type of questions। अच्छा, today we are discussing only simple questions, basic level questions। Next you can change the gear, next class में। Once you know the basic things, remaining is very easy, seems to be very easy। In order to liberate 44.8 liters of CO2 at STP, how much amount of calcium carbonate should be heated? This is a question. You also frame your my own questions। अच्छा, in order to liberate 44.8 liters of CO2 at STP, how much amount of calcium carbonate should be heated? Here comparison calcium carbonate and CO2. While reading the question you might know that, but the comparison है, ये comparison का ये CO2 का comparison है, calcium carbonate का comparison। अच्छा, what is the relation है? You write the relation है, how to produce CO2 by heating calcium carbonate। The basic level equation you might write, calcium carbonate dissociated gives a calcium oxide and CO2। This is a basic level equation, na? Achha, in examination they are not providing the equation, you need to practice it for this, how to produce CO2 from limestone with simple equation only। Now before going to the what are they asked, first assume that number of moles हो। अच्छा, कंपैरिजन किसका? अब कंपैरिजन का राउंड ऑफ करो, ये कंपेयर कर रहा है, दोनों का कंपेयर कर रहा है। In a balanced chemical equation में you have to compare number of moles हो। अच्छा, 1 mole of calcium carbonate on strong heating gives 1 mole of CO2। अच्छा, कंपेयर क्या करना? 1 mole of here 1 mole है, here also 1 mole है। Now see the question में कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट किस में पूछ रहा है? वेट में पूछ रहा है। सो ये मोल को कन्वर्ट करो वेट में। 1 मोल ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट वेज हाउ मच? 100 ग्राम्स है। कैल्शियम 40, कार्बन 12, ऑक्सीजन 48 है, 100 ग्राम्स है पक्का। ये वाला 100 ग्राम्स है पक्का, ये 1 मोल में 100 ग्राम्स है। So 100 grams of calcium carbonate on strong heating. Here, how many moles of CO2? 1 mole. But they given a CO2 in liters में, वॉल्यूम में। ये मोल को वॉल्यूम में कन्वर्ट करो। 1 mole of CO2, 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liters। 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liters. But they're asking, instead of 22.4, in order to produce 44.8 liters of CO2, actually, here, what is the requirement? Their requirement is not 22.4, their requirement 44.8 liters. Then how much amount of calcium carbonate should be heated in order to get only 44.8 liters? उसका डबल करना, अंडरग्राउंड हीट करेगा तो 20.4 है. अच्छा 44.8 लीटर आने के लिए, in order to get 44.8, how much amount of calcium carbonate should be heated? Double है, मतलब 44.8 upon 22.4 into 100 है. तो ये आंसर है, which is equal to 200. So you read the question, relation you underline करो, and write the chemical equation. 90% of the problem is solved. The rest is nothing but calculation problem. चलो, I will provide one more question. You try one. देखते हैं. Ten grams of 90% calcium carbonate. On strong heating, ten grams of 90% calcium carbonate on strong heating the volume of CO2 liberated at STP is equal to अच्छा ये ही प्रॉब्लम है. तो मैं ऑप्शन दे रहा है आपके लिए. ऑप्शन ए 22.4 liters है. ऑप्शन बी 2.24 liters है. ऑप्शन सी 2.016 liters है. ऑप्शन डी 20.16 liters. अच्छा, I give a question and try that. After that, I will explain to you. 10 grams of 90% of calcium carbonate on strong heating, the volume of CO2 liberated STP, which is equal to 2.016 liters. अच्छा, बेसिक इक्वेशन वही है ना, सेम है. बेसिक इक्वेशन सेम है. अच्छा, CaCO3 CaO plus CO. Am I right? This is the basic equation. अच्छा, comparison again calcium carbonate CO2. Calcium carbonate weight में CO2 वाले same. ये देखो 1 mole है. What is given? ये 1 mole है. ये भी 1 mole है. Based on balance of chemical equation, 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole and 1 mole. अच्छा, 1 mole calcium carbonate weight में दिया है. 1 mole में weight में कन्वर्ट करो 100 ग्राम से. अच्छा, 1 mole वॉल्यूम में कन्वर्ट करो, बिकॉज़ वॉल्यूम है 22.4. This is the basic. This is a basic. But what is given now? 100 grams are not heated. If 100 grams are heated, 22.4 liters. How many grams are heated? 9 grams are heated. 90% of the 9 grams, not 100% of the 10 grams. 10 grams में 90% only decomposed है, dissociated. अच्छा, suppose tomorrow, yesterday you write some exam, only 10 marks exam. You got 9 marks. What is your percentage? 90%. So 10 ग्राम में 90% कितना होता है? 9 ग्राम से. 10 into 90 by 100 कितना होता है? 9 grams. They are not heated 10 grams. 10 grams heated means 100% dissolution. But 90% dissolution. So मतलब 9 grams only heated ना. So very simple. If 10 grams is 2.24, 9 grams is less than 2.24. Only one option है 2.24. अच्छा कितना होता है? 9 by 100 into 22.4 है, which is equal to approximately 2.016. अच्छा और भी ना, no need to calculation also. एक ही ऑप्शन है less than 2.24. ऑप्शन में एक ही ऑप्शन है less than 2.24. ठीक है? Just I am going to change the question. You try your own. I am going to change the question. I am going to try and change the question. The amount of lime obtained at STP. अच्छा क्वेश्चन चेंज किया मैं. स्टेटमेंट वही स्टेटमेंट है, बट आई आस्क्ड लाइम how much amount of lime is obtained. The same thing is undergoing heating. Yes, I changed the question. How much amount of lime should be heated? Lime का मतलब कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड है lime. CaO is lime. Now this time comparison not CO2. Limestone का lime का comparison now. Now this time comparison किसका है? Now this time comparison किसका है? लाइम का, sorry, limestone का लाइम का comparison. Again 1 mole only. And both are amount only. Here also amount, here also amount. This is called mass problem होता है. Both are amounts only. Amount को convert करो, amount में convert करो. अच्छा 1 mole of calcium carbonate is 100 grams है. 1 mole of lime is 56 grams है. ये फंडा, ये बेसिक है. But what asked? How much amount of calcium carbonate should be heated? 9 grams only. 10 grams of 90%, 9 grams only. 9 grams only heated. Then what is the weight of lime is obtained? 5.0. Answer is 9 by 100 into 56. It's a 504 divided by 100, which is equal to 5.04. Very simple. So like, this is a basic level question today what we discussed. Tomorrow we are going to discuss another level. Here we can change the gear 1, gear 2. Right, this is basic level. If you know, understand the basic level question, then next time a limiting reagent also we are supposed to use. You have only one reactant, one product comparison. Sometimes you compare 2 reactant, 1 product also. That time is very difficult for you. That is nothing but limiting reagent concept. Today we discussed some simple basic things only, right? To practice a similar kind of question tomorrow I will ask you. Similar type, basic level questions only I am asking. Okay, don't bother.